Hi guys! Today we're going to learn how to make a 2x2 picture in Canva. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Canva app. This is where all your designs will start, so make sure the app loads properly before moving ahead. Once it's open, you're ready for the next step. Now from the bottom left, select any design to start with. This doesn't have to be perfect because we'll adjust the size later. Just pick something to work with so we can move on. Once the design is selected, look at the top right corner and tap the plus icon. This will open up new options so we can customize the size and layout for your picture. After tapping the plus icon, select Design from the options and then tap Custom Size. This is where you'll set the dimensions for your 2x2 picture. Now in the width and height fields, you can enter your size. Ideally, for a 2x2 picture, set width and height to 2 by 2 inches. If Canva shows a warning that dimensions are too small, just use an example like 5 by 5 inches for practice. This still keeps the square shape intact. Once the size is set, tap on Create New Design. Your blank canvas will open with the correct square dimensions. Now you can upload any photo to fit this canvas. Finally, upload your photo to the canvas. Adjust it to fit perfectly, and now you have a 2x2 style picture ready to use. This is perfect for ID photos or any square format images you need. And that's it. This is how you can make it 2x2 picture in Canva easily. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one.